ice cream cake. Yeah, you heard it right. Ice cream cake. We're going to be putting ice cream in the oven. Do you think it will melt? Let's find out. So for the ice cream cake, we'll need a chocolate cake base, some ice cream because it's ice cream cake, and some meringue to cover the ice cream. First, we're going to make the chocolate cake. And we're going to use some triple chocolate brownie mix to make the chocolate cake. Let's get started. To make the cake, we are going to put 1 pouch of brownie mix, 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 vegetable oil, and 1 egg. Okay. Now let's do vegetable oil. Now the egg. Okay guys, now it's time to beat the batter. Okay guys, the batter is ready. We're going to pour the batter in the pan. And also, you need to preheat the oven to 325 degrees. And also, you need to bake it for 45 minutes. Okay, let's pour the batter. Okay guys, the cake is ready. Now let's let it cool. Now the next step is to make a dome of ice cream and put it on the cake. So first we took a bowl and put some plastic wrap on it, and then you fill it with ice cream to make a dome. Okay guys, now let's fill the bowl with some ice cream. Okay guys, now we put the ice cream in the bowl. Now we're gonna put the ice cream in the freezer for 1 hour. And after we put it in the freezer for 1 hour, we're going to put it in the oven! With the cake! Yes, with the cake. Okay guys, the chocolate cake has cooled and the ice cream has been in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now it's time to make the meringue. To make the meringue, you need 4 egg whites, half spoon of tartar, and 2 cups of sugar. And then you need to beat the eggs. Now let's beat the eggs. So first you need to beat the egg whites for 2 minutes, and then you add the tartar, and then you slowly add the sugar. You keep on beating until the egg whites form stiff spikes, and then your meringue is ready. Okay, now let's start beating the eggs. Now let's add the tartar. Okay, we added the tartar. Okay guys, now the meringue is ready. It's forming stiff peaks and it's also shiny. Now let's take ice cream and put it on the cake. Okay guys, this is the part where we have to do it fast. We're going to put the ice cream on the cake. And then we're going to put the meringue on top of the ice cream and the cake. Okay guys, the ice cream is on the cake. Now let's put the meringue on fast. Candy, your turn. No, just you don't need to hold. Okay guys, now we've covered the cake with meringue. Now we're going to put the cake in the oven for 3 minutes or until the meringue is a little bit brown. Okay guys, we've baked the cake for 5 minutes. Now it's time to take it out of the oven. Okay guys, now let's cut the cake and see if the ice cream melted or not. Okay guys, the experiment worked. The ice cream in the inside is still hard. It didn't melt and it's still cold. Okay guys, did you see how the meringue acted? It acted like an insulator to the ice cream. It didn't transfer the heat from the outside to the inside. Okay guys, I hope you try this experiment at home with your adults. Okay guys, bye. And my name is Advi.
My name is Anna.